In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create and save swatches in Adobe Illustrator so you can use them among multiple projects. So I have an image here and I have created a sort of color palette here of the colors used in the image, and this one I want to use as a swatch so I can use it in this project but also in other projects. So first I'm going to select these colors, the color palette I created. And if you need to create a color palette from an image you're using, you can make shapes, and the shapes you can fill by using your eyedropper tool, and then you just select the color from the image you want to use. And when you have your color palette ready, select all your shapes here with the colors you want to use. Go to the Swatches menu, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Swatches. And in the Swatches menu, here we're going to click this hamburger icon, and we're going to create a new swatch group. So the new swatch group, we'll give it a name. And you're going to choose the selected artwork, which should be selected by default, and then include the swatches for tints, and then you press OK. Now here in the Swatches menu, I'm going to click this here and show all swatches. So here you can see my new swatches I created. Now I'm going to select this by clicking this folder icon, and then here I'm going to open this icon, show the swatch libraries menu, and I'm going to save my swatches. So now these swatches are only available in this project, and if I want to use it in other projects, that's what we have to do. So click this icon and then save your swatches. And then save. And if I now open a new file, so I'm going to File, New, or Command-N, create new file. As you can see here, it's not visible immediately, but you can go here in the Swatches menu, and then you go under User Defined, and there you see your swatches you just made. So if I now click it off, my swatches are available here, as you can see here. Just like that. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.